Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're sharing one of the most magical experiences you can have in Ksamil, Albania. Watching the sunset. Watching the sunset near Greg's Restaurant and Lounge. Located right along the coastline, Greg's is one of many restaurants in Ksamil perfectly positioned to face the setting sun. As evening approaches, the entire horizon transforms into a glowing canvas of orange and gold. And the best part? It's right in front of you. You can enjoy this incredible view from several spots. From Greg's small private beach just steps away, from the outdoor lounge area, or even while sitting at your table in the restaurant. Though a few trees slightly frame the view, the atmosphere remains absolutely stunning. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new travel content. We really appreciate your support. In Ksamil, you'll notice that you can pay in lek or euros. But be careful. The exchange rates at restaurants or beach spots can be quite high. My tip? Use the Wise card to pay safely and get the real exchange rate without hidden fees. With Wise, you'll always know exactly how much you're spending, and the card is accepted in many countries and currencies, making it perfect not just for Albania, but for your entire journey. Sign up now using our link and enjoy the benefits. It's fast, smart, and it supports our channel too. Travel smart, spend wise, enjoy more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new adventures. Your support means a lot, and it really helps our channel grow. We had dinner here, and the experience was truly memorable. The pizzas were delicious, the service was friendly and attentive, and the prices were very affordable. A perfect balance of quality and value. Around sunset, the vibe in Ksamil is simply amazing. Warm, relaxed, and welcoming. The people here are incredibly friendly and helpful, which adds to the overall charm of the evening. Whether you're looking for a quiet, romantic dinner or a casual meal with friends, Greg's and the surrounding area offer an excellent place to unwind, eat well, and take in the natural beauty of the Albanian Riviera. And once the sun sets, the evening doesn't have to end. You can take a relaxing walk along the promenade with plenty of souvenir kiosks, local crafts, and treats to explore. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to catch more of our Ksamil travel tips and stunning sunset spots. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your support. And don't forget to check out our other videos about the best places to visit in Ksamil and beyond.